Gateway Arch National Park. And we are here overlooking the arch at Gateway National Park in St. Louis, Missouri. What a beautiful place. We have the South Pond, we have the North Pond. So today we've explored the North Pond. We can go over and enjoy the South Pond. We've got the arch here in the center. And commemorating St. Louis's role in the westward expansion of the United States during the 19th century. The park grounds are open 5:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. The Arch Visitor Center is open till 6. It's open 9 to 6. Extended hours sometimes. Museum at the Gateway Arch. Gift shop, always. Cafe. Or Old Courthouse is available 8 a.m. to 4:30. Information, tickets, gatewayarch.com. And of course, you never, ever, ever want to hurt anything. Whatever you bring into the park, you dispose of properly or take with you. And don't bring anything you can't bring into a visitor center. Absolutely gorgeous. And let's take another look at that beautiful arch. Gateway Arch, my friends. St. Louis, Missouri.